We're welcoming Brian back in the studio. He's coming from Buffalo to tell you all about the Terastation Pro. Thanks for making the effort to come back in, Brian.
Thanks, Drew. Yeah, we're going to talk about our Terastation Pro today, which is from the Terastation family, which is Buffalo's premier network-attached storage device, which is also sometimes called NAS. And the Pro lineup of the Terastations is our highest performance offering.
Well, let's start with talking about NAS and why people need it and why they'd use the Terastation Pro.
And network-attached storage is great for even homes, but really practical for businesses, as it allows you to centralize all the storage on your network, so all of your computers on the network can access those files. Also, you can simultaneously back up every computer on the network, and we even give you backup software for up to 10 PCs and servers, and of course, you can always back up more with other software as well.
Well, it looks like we got a few different products, so are there different capacities in the family?
Yeah, Drew, this is an entire family. There's actually also a 2-drive unit, but we have a 2-drive, a 4-drive, a 6 and 8-drive, and then a 4-drive rack mount. So that capacity ranges depending on the configuration, starting at 4 terabytes all the way up to 24 terabytes worth of data, which is quite a bit of data.
Yeah, that's definitely a lot of data. So with that much data, obviously comes a lot of responsibility of protecting it. So how have you guys really going to ensure the viewers watching that their data is going to be protected?
Another good question, Drew. I mean, Buffalo takes the responsibility of other people's data very seriously. So we have a ton of different technologies in here to help with data redundancy and backup and so on and so forth. Most obviously, we have RAID technology, which is redundant array of independent or inexpensive disks, where we combine all of these disks into a volume and then spread backup information across all of them automatically. I know it sounds a lot more complex than it is, but it's very easy. We also have USB 3.0 ports off the back, so you can offload data at 5 gigabits per second interface speed to USB drives and store them somewhere safe. And then we also have a ton of different ways to back up to different Terastations.
Yeah, how does that work with backing up to a different Terastation? Can you actually do that like over the internet?
Absolutely. Well, in the simplest form, we allow you to replicate data in real time or on a scheduled basis to another Terastation in the office. Of course, as you had said, we also allow you to do that over the internet, and there's no service fees associated with that. So you could even back up from a small office to your home device and have a complete disaster recovery solution. So you have data in multiple places, and it's all automated and very easy to set up.
Why don't you put the viewers at ease that are looking at it going, God, this is a great product. There's so much technology. It's got to be hard to set up.
Absolutely, Drew. I mean, as we're talking about technology that sound really complicated, but that's what Buffalo does. We take technologies that large companies are using with IT staffs and tie them up and make them very easy to use. So all the configuration of these devices is done through web browsers, and there's easy-to-use setup wizards. So we even have a feature that allows failover, which you can take one Terastation and set up a secondary one to fail over to, which is a very difficult technology to use in a large business. We've made it in a setup wizard that anybody without any training could deploy in 1 to 2 minutes. And the same goes for any backup or any replication type job. So that's our job, to make this really easy for people to protect their data and protect their companies.
And thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks, Drew.
So be sure to check out the entire line of Terastation drives from Buffalo, available right now at buy.com.